Hi, this is Bob Gillespie coming to you from Columbus, Ohio, the home of the Ohio State University. And we would like to welcome you to the new part of our annual Ohio State University String Teacher Workshop. In our 2020 workshop this year, we're going to be online, just as about everything else is online at the moment. So what does that involve? That means that we have asked clinicians to prepare up to 60 hours of instruction that you may choose to by watching and taking notes from YouTube videos. And the videos will be short so that we will be able to not get folks fatigued in watching everything. And also, there will be live question and answer sessions. You will be able to, right online with a click, send your questions to the clinician beforehand, and the question and answer sessions will be recorded for your future viewing and consideration. So what topics are going to be covered? All the way from the pedagogy of teaching beginners, intermediate students, that shifting and vibrato in the heterogeneous string class, and the greatest rep that you can possibly choose for your students, new music that will be recently composed and will be presented by the composers themselves, and also working with winds in the school orchestra that goes to a full symphonic orchestra, and how do you inspire students to be interested in moving into the 21st century and learning how to play the music that they listen to on their iPads and all their electronic phones and so forth, and how do we play that on our string instruments and in our school orchestras? So we're going to broaden the curriculum a bit for them. So all of these sessions will be put together in a menu from which you can choose and then watch anytime you want, 24 hours a day, between July 6th and July 17th. So you choose the schedule that works best for you, day, night, whenever it is, and so forth. Send in your questions and have live conversations with the clinicians and so forth. So how do I get involved in this? You go to stw.osu.edu. The website will have all the registration information that you need. Okay, let's cut to the chase. How much does this cost me? This costs $350. That comes down to about $6 an hour for instruction by the best clinicians in our field. Our mission is simply to come alongside of you so that you will be able to even more effectively reach your wonderful students, inspire them, motivate them, be able to make music with them, touch their lives in a way that no one else can touch, something they will remember for the rest of their lives. So I hope that you'll consider signing up and joining us, and above all, I thank you so much for what you do for our great profession. You are shaping the future generation of leaders in our country. And they need to understand, experience, and value the arts. And we're hoping that they will consider string instruments as one of their arts experiences. So as we say at Ohio State, we hope to see you soon, and go Bucks!